Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Well, we are passionate about helping people with business and accounting. In today's video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes. You're going to get to see how much money we've made off of our YouTube channel and how much money we've spent on our channel. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So we just hit a huge milestone on our channel. We hit 1,000 subscribers this week, and I want to just share with you guys how we've managed to make some money off of our channel. Now, this channel has not been monetized. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. We do promote our business, and that's how we've managed to bring an extra source of revenue during the pandemic, during a time where a lot of companies and a lot of businesses are struggling. Now, the income that we've made off of our channel isn't even a percent of our gross revenue for our business. All right, you guys, so I am gonna take you guys behind the scenes, and we are gonna take a look at our YouTube profit and loss statement. Now, I thought it would be fun to take you guys behind the scenes so you guys can see how this channel has almost produced $7,000 of income since we started. So let's head over to the computer and take a look at our YouTube profit and loss statement. So right here, so as you can see, this is our business. This is not a sample company. This is financial design, profit and loss statement, specifically our YouTube channel. Now, if you guys have any questions on how I did this in QuickBooks, leave a comment down below and I'll do a tutorial for you guys showing you how you can create reports off of different departments or classes in QuickBooks. So YouTube is a class set up in our QuickBooks. And so you can see here all dates. So since we started our channel, since I started tracking this, we've made almost $7,000. Now, we had some YouTube related expenses. Now, some of these are split costs between our actual company and YouTube because it has to do with both. So here our income is condensed. So this is all of the income that we've made off of our YouTube channel. So we've made $6,985 since we started. And like I said in the intro, this is not AdSense revenue. Our channel isn't even monetized at this point. This is just through consultations and things like that. We do have some spreadsheets, templates that we sell on our channel, and so we've had some revenue from that as well. So $6,985 with 29 cents. Now, we've had some expenses. So marketing, I hired a Fiverr person to come in and help with some editing at one point, and so that's what that charges. And then these are bank fees related to our consultation. So if someone pays online, there's a fee that we have to pay for that credit card payment processing, and so that's the total of that. And then office supplies related to our YouTube channel. So what is that? Okay, so that is a battery. So when I first started my channel, I had a lav mic that I was using, and so that lav mic, I needed a battery for it, and so that's what that $5 is the charge of the battery. And then website. So what this $17 is, that is a plugin to our WordPress site. The one where you're able to download the templates that I had for you guys. That's what I had to pay for that. And then we have some office equipment related to YouTube. And these are all going to be split costs between our corporate company and then this YouTube channel. So this USB-C hub, $93, that's my docking station. And the cam link, that is a split cost between the business and the YouTube. That is, if we ever want to go live, I did it for like a lot of Zoom consult calls that I had. You're able to do that. And then my monitor. So I split those costs between YouTube. And the reason why I split the monitor cost is because even though the majority of the time I'm using it for business, I also use it to edit my videos. So then we have some video equipment. Now, this, when I first started, so you can look here in November of 2019, I bought a Sony a6500, so the camera, and I used it for about a month or two, and I did not like it. The reason I did not like it was because it kept overheating on me and the battery did not last very long. So around that time, Sony announced the a6600, and so once that camera came out, which is what I'm currently using, then I returned the a6500 and got the a6600. So you can see, you can even track it here on this report. There's the debit and there's the credit. I also got a tripod, SD cards. This is the lav mic. That was only $17. That's what I started with. And then here's the debit, the return and the purchase of the camera, a cheap tripod for just throwing in my car. Pre-pandemic, when I first started, I was going to an office space that I was renting out. And so I recorded a few videos there. So I wanted to have a tripod in office and then a tripod in my car because I would forget my office tripod. And so it was just convenient to have a backup. And then I bought a gimbal. That's kind of a product regret. I bought it and I don't use it very much. I use it at home with the girls when we're going to the park or the zoo, and I get really cool video. But as far as my business or this YouTube channel, I really don't use it. And then I purchased in March the Rode wireless mic. And that's what I use for all of my channels. I love that I don't have any cables. It's, you know, a wireless mic. I will say that when I purchased this mic, I was gonna do some speaking engagements and I wanted to record those events, which got canceled, of course, because of COVID. But I wanted to have a wireless mic that I could use while I was doing the speaking stuff. So that's the reason why I purchased the Rode wireless mic. And then I have a small Joby handheld tripod that I purchased. This HDMI cable was for Zoom conference calls. It was under 10 bucks. And then I bought some RGB lights for the studio. And so those were $37. And then another HDMI card. I think we have like 3 or 2. And then the most recent purchase for my channel was the Sigma 16mm 1.4 lens. I love this lens. It is definitely an investment, but it is totally worth it. So that's all I've purchased as far as equipment for our channel. So let's go back. And then we have some subscriptions. So this Adobe Pro was like Creative Cloud, which we ended up not using very long. And then Bizarre is where I do all of our thumbnails for the channel. And so that's a monthly subscription. Calendly is where you guys book all of your appointments, and this is a split cost as well. So this isn't, you know, what I pay every month. This is portioned out between the business and the YouTube channel. In video, I think we did a month of that. Not a huge fan of it. vidIQ Professionals, and then Zoom. Again, that's a partial cost to our channel. Then let's see. And then we have some office decor and office furniture that we've used, and that's a split cost as well. So in total, we've spent $5,432.26. So that's basically the total expenses and then the total other expenses. So we've made almost $7,000 right here. And then after our expenses, we have made a profit of $1,553.03. And so we started buying stuff in 2019, at the end of 2019. Our first video went live, let's see. Our first video went live December 28th, 2019. Now I will say it was a slow start. I think this video has 40 views, and my first video ever was a Instagram stories because I was so nervous to put out the first video. It's like writer's block, right? When someone's gonna sit down and write a book or something. I've heard someone say, you know, just put letters on there. Like, whatever it is, just don't have a blank piece of paper that you're staring at. And that's kind of how I felt with this channel. I just need to get the first video uploaded. And so all I did was put those stories together and just put up a video. The first official video, like the first video that I sat down and recorded for purposes of YouTube, was on January 1st, 2020. And so really that was when we like started our channel, and I started preparing and purchasing things in preparation for our first video. And so that's pretty neat to see, like it's finally not a negative number, so that's great. So it's just all uphill from there until we need to buy more things, which eventually we will. I hope you found this video entertaining. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.